Ladies and gentlemen, the AI revolution just leveled up. OpenAI's GPT-5 is here as of August 7th, 2025, and by the end of this presentation, you'll know exactly how it'll change your work, your creativity, and maybe even your life. Stick around till slide 5, where I reveal the shocking coding capability that's already making developers question their careers. Mark this date, August 7th, 2025, because just like the iPhone in 2007, this is when everything changed. What is GPT-5? So what exactly is GPT-5? Imagine taking GPT-4 and giving it a PhD, a coding bootcamp, and photographic memory. This isn't just an update, it's a complete transformation with 45% faster response times, near-human reasoning skills, and capabilities that would have seemed like science fiction just last year. Look at these performance jumps, especially in coding and math, where it's now scoring in the 90th percentile. But here's what most people miss. Unified system. GPT-5's secret weapon, a genius smart router that works like an AI traffic controller. Instead of one bulky model, it uses GPT-5 Nano for lightning-fast responses, GPT-5 Pro for deep analysis, and GPT-5 Creative for artistic tasks. Early leaks suggest this system reduced OpenAI's server costs by 60% while improving performance. That's why they can offer it to free users. Performance breakdown. Let's talk numbers, because these benchmarks will shock you. GPT-5 isn't just better, it's in a different league. 94.6% on advanced math problems, 74.9% on real-world coding tests, 46.2% on medical exams. Yes, it's now passing tests designed for doctors. Now, before you ask, no, this doesn't replace your doctor, but it might help explain your diagnosis better than some WebMed websites. Coding revolution. Developers, this is your wake-up call. GPT-5 can now build complete apps like this jumping ball game from a single prompt. Watch this code appear like magic. One tester built a working e-commerce site in 3 minutes that would normally take a junior developer 3 days. The implications? Either the best productivity boost ever or the biggest job market shakeup since outsourcing. Writing superpowers. For writers, GPT-5 is like having Shakespeare and Hemingway on speed dial. It nails complex styles, iambic pentameter, no problem. Technical manuals, easy. Marketing copy, done. Professional editors say it writes at a published author level now. My favorite feature? It remembers character details across 50 pages. No more blonde heroine turning brunette errors. Health assistant. Now, for the controversial part, medical advice. GPT-5 scores 19.4% higher than GPT-4 on health benchmarks, but listen carefully. OpenAI added 5 new disclaimer screens because while it's great at explaining medications, it still can't replace your doctor. I tested this personally. It refused to diagnose my headache, but explained migraines better than WebMD. Multimodal mastery. GPT-5 doesn't just read text, it sees, analyzes, and understands images at near human level. Show it a complex chart, gets the trend instantly. City skyline, names buildings and styles. Your fridge contents, suggests recipes. The most impressive demo, it identified 18th century paintings down to the artist's brushstroke techniques. Art historians are equal parts amazed and terrified. Slide 9, economic earthquake. Here's where it gets real. GPT-5 now matches or beats humans in 50% of professional tasks. We're talking legal research, financial analysis, and content creation. The consulting firm McKinsey predicts this will automate 30% of work tasks by 2026. But here's the silver lining. Accuracy leap. Remember GPT-4's hallucinations? GPT-5 cuts false claims by 6x. The key improvements? 45% less thinking time, 22% more factual responses, and deception rate cut from 4.8% to 2.1%. But it's not perfect. I caught it making up a fake study about coffee benefits during testing. Always fact check. GPT-5 Pro. Mate GPT-5 Pro, the brain surgeon version. In tests, doctors preferred it 67.8% of the time, 22% fewer major errors, and solves multi-step problems like a professor. Whisper, rumor is law firms are paying $500 per month per seat for this. Is it worth it? Comment below if you want a full Pro versus Standard breakdown. Pricing tiers. Here's how to get GPT-5 today. Free users get basic access. Plus, $20 per month for Priority, Pro, $50 per month for advanced features. Point to Enterprise, big news, Enterprises bet custom versions on August 14th. I'm hearing Wall Street banks already pre-ordered thousands of licenses. Conclusion. We're witnessing history, folks. GPT-5 isn't just better AI, it's the dawn of true human-machine collaboration. Will it disrupt jobs? Absolutely. Will it create new opportunities? Even more so. Do this now. 1. Like if you'll try GPT-5 today. 2. Comment how you'll use it. And 3. Subscribe to my 10 Pro Prompts video dropping tomorrow. P.S. Watch the cursor. I programmed it to write this entire script using GPT-5. The future is already here.